In this video, I'm going to be making a braided headband, as you will see me doing. So kindly make sure you watch the video to the very end. First, I'm just going to measure out my 3 strands of fabric, and I'm using 4 inches width for the straps. Then the length will be 40 inches in total. So I'm just cutting them out. As you see right here, I'm measuring and just cutting out, and you must have 3 pieces of the fabric all together. Here I have everything cut out, the 3 straps, and I also have another strap which I will use to cover out the back part of the band, as you will see. I'll take my fabrics to the machine, then I'll just make long tubes. As you see here, I'm folding the fabric into 2, the wrong sides facing outside, and I'm just going to sew it together. After sewing all the fabrics, I'm going to turn them inside out, and I'll also do that to the other shorter piece of the fabric. Right here all is set, so I'm just going to trim off the excess and the threads, then turn it inside out. Then I'll start filling the fabrics with fiber. I'll start filling the insides of the fabric using fiber, and that is the thing that will make the fabrics kind of have that fluffy shape or fluffy feel, as you will see later. So guys, continue watching to the end, and kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also give this video a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. Now that I have my 3 tubes, I'm going to start inserting my fiber into them. This is a tiresome, the inserting of the fiber is a tiresome process, so you have to really be patient and get all the fibers in there, and you don't want to put a lot of fiber in there. You just want to put it and let it be as squishy as possible. Don't put a lot of it in there, because if you put a lot, it won't bend easily. Just make it fluffy or squishy. I hope you get what I mean, right? So this is what I'm just going to be doing, then I'll come back after I've done everything. everything is all set now. I already have my tubes. Look at how fluffy they are. They are the correct size. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'll assemble them together. I'll just take the 3 ends and put them together, then attach it to a hard surface, or maybe pin it together. You can let someone hold them for you, or for me, I'm going to be using the foot of the machine to hold them down together as I braid them. So here it is. I'm putting them under the feet of the machine, then I'm going to start braiding them up to the very end. So yeah, continue watching as I do this. Now I have my braid already formed, and I didn't braid it tightly. I braided it loosely so that it cannot be super stiff. So right here I'm just measuring out the circumference of my head, because this is my headband. So I'm measuring out the circumference of my head. My head is 22 inches in length, but I'm in circumference, but I'm going to add 2 inches to it just to give it some allowance. And I'm also going to add elastic at the end. You will see that later. So total I have 24 inches right over here. Then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start fixing the ends of the headband, as you see right here. So here is my piece, the other piece I've already sewn it, and I have my elastic also. I'm going to attach it to the headband, as you will see me doing here. I don't know how to explain it, but just kindly make sure you watch this process. After all that process, this is the final product that I have. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video and you learned a thing or two. Bye guys, see you in the next video.